Ikea Dripper. We're doing some adjustments from our previous brew. So first is our paper filter. We'll be using 02 filter. This is a Hario filter and our special equipment. This was sent to us by Tenen Industries. It's a UFO dripper and Ikea dripper folding guide. You just have to insert and then you cut out this part. Then you fold it. Keep the crease. You get a filter that fits perfectly in your Ikea funnel. The problem with our last video was that our brew clogged up, maybe partly because of our paper filter and maybe partly because of our grind size. Now we're using the Cafec Deep 27 just for a stand so that the dripper sits properly and evenly. We'll be using the same beans, atok benguet, rinse our filter, 15 grams of coffee, and 240 grams of water. In the previous video, we used a 4.5 grind size. Now, we'll be using 6.5. So since we've ground our beans coarser, we have to make up for the water temperature. We'll be using 96 degrees. We'll be starting with a 60 gram bloom. We'll be blooming it for 45 seconds. Now our second pour, we will be pouring up to 150 ml. And now, our last pour will be pouring up to 240. I'm trying to pour as thinly as possible so that the water will have more contact time with the beans, allowing it to extract better. So let's just give it a little swirl. And we're experiencing a bit of clogging, but not as much as the last time. We ended at about 2 minutes and 10 seconds with our brew. So let's see if we brewed a coffee with a lighter body and brighter notes. Our last brew, which was more of very chocolatey and very nutty. I don't know how to better describe. It's very tea-like. It's citrus. It's bright. So we were able to achieve extracting brighter notes. Hindi lang ako happy sa finish niya. Medyo watery siya, maybe because super coarse naman yung grind size. Watery.
It's bright. It's citrus. Pero yes, I agree na flat yung
Medyo flat lang yung dulo. Can you brew good coffee with an IKEA funnel or the IKEA dripper? Yes, it's very possible to brew coffee. You just have to know your grind size. So we're still trying to find that balance between what good grind size to use. If you're brewing with a funnel at home and having difficulties with folding your filter, you can get one of these. So it's available at our cafe. So they're available in different colors. You can message us on our social media pages and we'll hook you up with your own UFO and Ikea dripper folding guide. So, nagtatanong si Von, why brew using an Ikea dripper or an Ikea funnel? Well, 60 pesos lang siya, so why not? That's it for now, and we'll see you in the next one.